like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramenrater. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramenrater. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Miao, spelled M-I-A-U, miauboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramenrater for a discount. There's a whole bunch of really neat Japanese varieties in this box. I think of the handful of boxes that I've unboxed and reviewed, I think I may have gotten one variety that I've tried before over multiple boxes, which is pretty darn good considering I've done over 5,000 different reviews, and plenty of them are from Japan. So let's crack this open and see what's inside. Hey, cool! So when you crack it open, you're going to see this little leaflet. It's proclaiming this is the November 2024 Cozy Fall Ramen Selection. And on the back, you'll see this QR code. You scan this, and then you can go to their website and get a PDF, which has all sorts of information about cultural things and especially information about everything that's in this box. So that's what I'm going to do, and we're going to look at everything that is within there. This is Yamadai's original kimchi ramen, and this is a very standard kimchi bowl. It's gonna have like some kimchi with it. I don't see anything out of the ordinary on here. It's got this little Nippon Food Shift logo on it. I'll have to look into that to find out what that means. I've seen it before, but yeah, cool. Next up from Ace Cook, we have Senin Kojiya Hakkai-san Sake Lee's Rich Miso Ramen. It does have a sachet right on the top. Let's see what it says here. Next up, let's indulge in the deep umami of miso combined with chicken and pork stock for a flavor explosion. This cup of noodles balances its richness with sweet sake leaves and bits of corn, culminating to a hearty yet refined ramen. Its complex, packs a punch taste is perfect for a cozy meal. So, interesting. Sake miso. But it says sake leaves. I don't know what that is. Something new to find out. And next up we have Nissendo Miso Shop Special Miso Ramen in a pack. This looks pretty neat. I mean, it's a pack version. I absolutely adore the fact they send packs. And yeah, it's miso ramen. Oh, it's calling itself dough miso. And if you look right here, it's like whatever dough, laki dough. It's got a musical note, so I'm guessing it has something to do with music. Cool. Next up, we've got Ace Cook Local 1 Cup Toyama Black Shoyu Ramen, and yet another one with a large sachet on top. Toyama Black is just, it's a style, and the broth is black. I'm guessing from squid ink, I don't know, but it's generally pretty good. It's just to show you. Next up, we've got Nissan Cup Noodles Spice Scent Creamy Green Curry Ramen. Yeah! And a sachet on top. I'm an absolute advocate of green curry noodles. Some of my best friends are curry noodles, especially green curry noodles. So, yeah, I adore green curry, and this sounds really good. Alright, next up, we've got Nissan Tasting Donbe Hakata Style Kitsune Udon. And what's crazy about this one is right there. See that? 7 freaking minutes. I don't know why this udon takes 7 minutes. I did one today. Generally, they take 5, but 7? Wow. It's kitsune udon, so it's got a piece of fried tofu. Yeah, I guess I'll just have to cook it up, try it, and let you know. Next up, we have a Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is their travel ramen Yokohama Tanmen. And I'm curious why they're calling this travel ramen. They wrote, next up is a tasty bowl of liquid gold straight from Yokohama This is ten ramen, different from tan ramen. Oh. Tan ramen. Okay, this pack features thick noodles in a deliciously light salt broth with chicken and pork for umami and napa cabbage and cabbage to soak up the soup. Yum. I wonder why they call it travel ramen though. I would think travel ramen would be like, oh, you can bring this to friends in other countries because it doesn't contain any products. It's got pork in it, so from what they're saying here. So yeah, no, you can't really. You could take it to other countries, but if they look in your bag and they find that, they're gonna go, no. That's what they'll do. All right, so before I find out what it says this is, I'm gonna guess this is a yuzu yakisoba. So let's find out what it says here. Yeah, Myojo Charumera Yuzu Shio Yakisoba. That makes sense. Yeah, there's our favorite little buddy down here in the corner blowing the Charumera. That's the horn, kind of like the ice cream man. Plays his song, lets you know he's in the neighborhood. These guys would blow their horn and say, come on out, I got ramen cooking, come and get some. So yuzu is a citrus. I don't know how much I'm honestly going to like this one because I really am not a big fan of it. I've had a couple varieties that I do like, so hopefully this is one of them. Alright, so in this, the November 2024 Nakama Noodles Cozy Fall Ramen Box, you're gonna get Hakata Kitsune Udon, Miso with Sake, Green Curry, Toyama Black, Tan Ramen, a fancy looking miso, Kimchi Ramen, Yuzu Shio Yakisoba, and your valuable informational pamphlet. Alright, well cool, thank you very much to the folks over at Meow Mall for sending this over, and as always, you can go to miauboxjapan.com and get one of these awesome Nakama Noodles boxes. Use the coupon code THERAMENRATER for a discount. Yeah, I haven't reviewed anything that was in this box at all, and there's quite a bit of interesting stuff that I am fascinated with and really looking forward to trying. So yeah, you can get these, so get one. If you want, I think, yeah. All right, this is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.